What if I told you that nearly half of all venture capital money last quarter went into one thing: AI? Not healthcare, not fintech, not real estate. AI. And one company alone took almost a third of that. That's how massive this wave is becoming. Before we go deeper, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment, because we talk about the real shifts happening behind the headlines and what they mean for you. So here's what just happened. Data from Crunchbase shows that global venture funding in the third quarter hit about $97 billion. That is a 38% jump year over year. And 46% of that total went directly into AI companies. Almost half. Now let's talk names. Anthropic alone raised $13 billion just in the quarter. That is nearly 29% of all global venture dollars. Then XI came in with $5.3 billion. And Mistral AI raised another $2 billion. The three largest rounds of the entire quarter were foundation model companies. That tells us something. The market is betting heavily on whoever can own the core intelligence layer. This rush has been powerful enough that Wall Street's major indexes hit record highs this year. And just last week, OpenAI reportedly became the most valuable private company in the world, with a valuation of around $500 billion. That is private market territory we've never seen before. And the United States is leading the charge. About $60 billion of global venture capital last quarter went into US-based companies alone. Meanwhile, other sectors are still moving, but nowhere near the same scale. Hardware came in second, with $16.2 billion going into robotics, semiconductors, quantum, and data infrastructure. Healthcare and biotech raised $15.8 billion, making them third. Still huge numbers, but they don't come close to AI. Here's the takeaway. Investors are not just betting that AI is important. They're betting it will rewrite entire industries. If you're building, investing, or strategizing for the future, you can't afford to ignore this acceleration. The companies capturing attention and capital right now are shaping what the next 10 years of business will look like. Check out the related video that's popping up now to keep diving deeper. And if you're serious about applying AI strategically, not just watching it happen, this is your moment. Let's move.